You're watching Cartoonito, something to see early in the morning on a day you head with your family to the supermarket for snacks.
Barry the Bee, Barry the Bee, the amazing adventures of Barry the Bee.
That's me! It's a hot and sunny day in Bee-land. Barry the Bee is buzzing around in the garden. Can you guess what Barry's thinking about? That's right, his favourite thing in the whole world. Flora the flower. Barry the Bee loves Flora the flower. He likes nothing more than to enter her and wriggle around for a while. When he comes out, he's all sticky, covered in Flora the flower's pollen. Oh look, here comes Freddy the fly. Hello, Freddy, said Barry. Hello, Barry, said Freddy. Can you guess what Freddy's thinking about? That's right, his favourite thing in the whole world, Davy the Doggy Doo-Doo. Freddy the Fly loves Davy the Doggy Doo-Doo. He likes nothing more than to gobble him up, even though it makes him gag. But he likes to eat his own sick as well. Oh dear, Mr. Pardon, who owns the garden, has just spotted Barry the Bee with his newspaper and killed him. It looks like no more adventures for you, Barry.
Freddy the Fly, Freddy the Fly, the amazing adventures of Freddy the Fly.
Kalo is next, but I guess you can go now. Just don't buy too many bee-endorsed or honey-based products.